Andy here from ROVE, and today I got a great news for some of you. I found a generic windshield mount. First, those of you are requesting how we can have a windshield suction mount for ROVE R3 Dash Cam. Now, obviously, we are making a new mount for ROVE R3, but that's going to come in about 4 to 6 months. It's already in production, and the new mount actually will not work with this existing batch. So what would you guys do for those who already purchased your R3 and who want to use a suction mount? So I found this mount on Amazon, and I will post a link to this so you guys can go and buy it. And this mount is super cool. I just received it and I'm super excited to record this video for y'all. So let me talk about how this mount comes. So this is what actually comes as a suction mount. This part all the way till here, and this black piece right there. Okay, and all you do is simply stick that black piece on the 3M mounting tape, and boom, that's it. It is a super strong suction, and you can use this as a suction mount. And this mount is also super strong. Obviously, don't touch the glue, but this glue is super strong, and when you suction it on your windshield, it's pretty cool. And this actually allows you to mount this on the flat surface also. All right, so if you, for those who has an RV, or if you have a flat surface on your car, you know, in case you're driving a Jeep or whatever car you have, whether it's a truck or a vehicle or a car, whatever it is, if it's a flat surface, this mount actually extends, and it actually allows you to mount it on a flat surface and rotate your R3 left and right also. How cool is that? Yeah? All right, now let me show you. This is my office, and I'm going to mount this camera on my flat windshield here. And all you gotta do is lock this in place, and bam, it is super strong. Okay, now, here's the cool part. You can turn your R3 to the left, to the right, and this is super simple. This mount already comes with a suction right there and a ball joint socket that allows you to rotate your ROVE R3. All right, so now look at this. This is a flat mount that allows you to angle up, down. You could also use our rotate angle there. Inside cabin camera can go up and down also. And best of all, it is super cheap and super easy. You guys will love it. All right, so you see how cool it is. It's super strong, and you can, if you ever need to remove it, you could easily remove it. And super easy. Look at this, how nice it is, right? Now back to my hand. So this is the magical mount. I know a lot of customers reached out and says, guys, I hate this mount. I can't, you know, it doesn't come with a suction mount. Now, obviously, we learned our lesson, and we already designed an amazing magnetic mount that is going to come. So all you got to do is remove it and stick it. But this is the video for people who you already purchased. All right. So I hope this video is helpful. And let me show you one more time how cool this is. All you got to do is just put it in a flat surface, and boom, your R3 is ready to go. Adjust your angle up and down and cabin. And let me go on the outside and show you what it looks like. All right, so I hope this video is helpful, guys. And I mean, I'm not sure if you could really see it, but it is super cool. This is truly an amazing mount. I'm gonna be putting this in my car and test it out, but this is what we have. Thank you again, guys, for all your support, for purchasing your ROVE R3. We hope you love it as much as we do, and let us know if you have any questions or concerns. And again, thanks for everything. Cheers, guys.